Merry extremely early Christmas from the Zone Guards.
Warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. The extreme southwestern California forecast discussion fog in the morning.
Alright, here's our report from today's test. All three of these weather radios activated. These two radios activated as per usual.
Tonight, partly cloudy. Patchy fog overnight. Lows 53 to 58. Areas of wind southwest
turn this one
15
off.
miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning.
This one activated.
Becoming sunny. Patchy fog in the morning. High 82 to 90. Light winds.
The WR100 activated.
Or with gusts up to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon.
The WR400 activated.
National Weather Service forecast for Riverside County mountains today. Sunny.
The WR120 activated.
Areas of winds east 15 miles an hour with
The
gusts
Zone
to
Guard
25 miles
activated
an hour.
for required
Tonight,
weekly test.
mostly clear. Lows 48 to 58.
This didn't activate.
Light winds.
This one.
Thursday, sunny. Highs 80 to 90. Areas of winds
this one did
15
weekly
miles
test.
an hour in the morning.
This one went
becoming
off
light.
for unrecognized message.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Santa Ana Mountains and foothills today. Mostly sunny. Patchy
This
fog
one went
in the
off
morning.
for
High is 77
unrecognized
to 87.
message.
Light winds becoming west 15 miles an hour with gusts
Oh,
to
that's a
25
6
miles
hour.
an hour in the afternoon.
I think all
Tonight,
unrecognized
partly
messages
cloudy.
are 6 hours
Patchy
from
fog
some older
overnight.
radios.
Lows 52 to 57. Light winds. Thursday, partly cloudy in the...
This one went off for unrecognized message, 6 hour. This one went off for required weekly test, of course, and this one went off for 6 hour unrecognized message. So, let me recap on that. I'm not able to tell if this or this activated. I bet they did. But yeah. Once again, these three weather radios activated. This weather radio activated. This weather radio activated. Is it a 6 hour? No, that's normal time. This one and this one activated for 6 hour unrecognized message. This one went off for unrecognized message with the usual time. Tune TV is what it says for civil emergency message or unknown message, I think. This one went off properly. This one went off properly. And this one went off properly. And these three weather radios went off properly too. But yeah, that concludes today's test for May 12th, 2021. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.